Welcome to Inside News. I'm Sarah Cannon, shooting for the truth. Today, a bus full of school children has been kidnapped from Hummingbird Primary. I do have Michael Smith here with us, who will be telling us a little bit about why someone would do this.
Well, I believe that the only reason you would do such a massive kidnapping in one go would be, of course, for notoriety. Now, these kind of mass attacks have become quite popular in recent months after the killer Tor was captured. I would say that we will hear something from the kidnapper within the next 24 hours, perhaps on social media, has become the trend with these types of people.
Thank you, Michael, for being here today. I'm Sarah Cannon. Thank you.